Mabuhay Pilipinas! What's up sa inyo dyan? Welcome back to Spang Dwantro Vlog starring Pabibo and Pabi.
Look at this dude.
And syempre si... Sino ka ba? Yes. Hey Nitro.
Oh my
Nitro.
gosh, my
Look,
shirt.
ready
Look
Nitro?
at my shirt.
Hey, what happened?
He thinks sneezing's funny. Is that funny, baby? Hey, Mommy sneezing. Yes. Nag-atching si Mommy. Alright guys, ngayong araw, nandito kami sa Port Macquarie. Yes, Port Macquarie. Ito po yung Airbnb namin. Ayun, no? Yes, maganda, no? Kasama namin sina Uncle Nathanael and Auntie Brooke. What's up? Yeah. We are going rock climbing. Is that right, Nate?
Yep.
Climbing some rocks, man.
Well,
Yeah.
not rocks. Just plastic balls.
Fake. Okay, we're climbing fake plastic rock walls. Hey, Ann. Hey, baby.
You're beautiful, you shine like a star. You got me falling slowly, and I'm crashing into you. Oh baby, wherever you go, I pray the angels remind you.
Alright, this is the view we have from our house. Beautiful. Look at it. Awesome.
No, it's not.
Ganda, di ba? Baby Nitro. Ang ganda, no? Ang ganda, baby, no? Ang ganda, baby, no? Nakakigigil tong batang to. Okay, baby Nitro. Let's go, baby. Tara na. Okay, baby Nitro. You are going shopping kasama sina Brooke and Shanta. Hinatid namin sila dito sa shopping center dito sa Port Macquarie. And mag-rock climbing na kami ni Nathanael. So, have fun, baby Nitro. Have fun, baby. Hey, have fun shopping with Mommy. Bye-bye. Bye, Mommy Shanta.
Hi! Ako po si Bailey at may Phil Talk ako.
If you want to learn Tagalog or Bisaya, Phil Talk is awesome.
Just go to philtalk.net and create an account.
Sign up to Phil Talk today.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we are here. This place is called Center of Gravity. Dito sa Port Macquarie. So, tingnan natin to. Ayun, no? O, tingnan nyo. Yan, eto na. Mag-rock climbing tayo. Okay, andito na kami sa loob. Try natin to. Subukan natin kung kaya ba or hindi. Alright, so here it is. Ito siya. Halaka. Alright, so dito kami mag-umpisa. Ito ba siya? Ayun. Subukan natin to. Alright, he's doing the cave.
It's kind of like a light blue and a really dark blue there.
So, is this in? Or?
Nah, that's dark.
Yeah, okay.
Start on that side if you want, on that one. It'll be easier, I reckon. And then easier.
Here he goes. One night, mate. Ayun, no? Sayang, hulog. Spion.
He's like, replied
Let's just all get me. fuck.
How'd you go?
Oh, mate.
You just go in any colour?
Yeah, I guess so.
We might go get some harnesses. You might have an easier time up there, yeah. Yeah, choose colour and then you can only use that colour.
Oh, right.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, nice. And then once you get to the top, you put both hands on the top hold and you're done.
All right.
Yeah.
Okay. That's harder than it looks, eh? There's your fingers.
It's tough.
Yeah. Sakit sa daliri, grabe. Sakit.
Yeah, do what you want.
Yeah. Alright.
Sure. All right. So,
Hold on first.
yeah, cool. So put yourself in, both hooks into the front of your harness. You just do them all the way up until they stop, and then you back them off about a quarter of a turn. Perfect. And now we're going to need you over here.
Alrighty.
So this one's going to clip
This
into the
locks
front
onto
of you.
me. Alright. Like that.
You're going to need to go two-handed. You might need to put that down.
Oh, will I? Okay. Alright, here we go. Nathanael. Overhang.
Yes. Nice done it.
You can do that one. That's a bit.
We have to rehook the...
No, I'll do it.
You'll do it? Okay, yeah, cool. Sweet as, man. What's your name, man?
James.
James, alright, James from Port Macquarie. Helping us out today. Okay, so dalo pasa si Nathanael sa ganito. Nathanael, how often do you do this, man?
Not as often as I'd like to.
Yeah?
Maybe once a week.
Oh, okay. Me, I've done it about once every 10 years. Ako na ang sunod. Alright, climbing all the way up that wall there. Boom. Okay, may overhang siya. So you kind of go upside down. Yeah, bam. Kaya ko to.
Alright.
Woo! Oh, that's a big wall. Okay, here we go. Alrighty. Here we go, man.
both hands where your right hand is, man. Both hands where your right hand is, and then come around to the right.
Left hand up to where. Yeah. Yeah, there you go.
Yeah, nice.
That's fine, very good job. Keep moving to the next one. Nice. Here we go. Start.
See if you can bounce up and grab that ring above you. Yeah, the loop above you. So move your... Nice. Don't forget to unhook again. That's it. Up over the edge with your left. Come on, feet up, feet up.
Fingers just got cramped up and all that.
You know, like once you come back like that, the weight's all on your hands.
Yeah.
You can't like take it in your head. That was good effort though. You like really crushed that. For a first attempt at a climb like that, that's so good.
Not bad, eh? What do you reckon, James?
Why are we still here? Just to suffer.
I reckon you did well. Oh, easy 9.
Easy 9?
Daniel is doing the ultimate challenge. Ito yung pinakamahirap na gagawin niya. Tingnan niyo. So, here we go, Nate.
That's even a workout for that, man. It's even a workout for me to go out. Sakit yung balikat.
You really, when you're only boulder, you really feel the lack of endurance on a like a top rope or a sport climb, mate.
Yeah, I'll bet.
Alright. Iba na lang yung sa akin.
try.
You should try a blue one to challenge yourself on the holds more, but maybe not one that's super overhung.
Yeah.
This guy right here?
Try.
One here? Alright. Alright, we go all the way out. Ready, man?
Yep, blue all the way. No rainbow.
No rainbow this time.
No rainbow. Come on, Dwaine, you got it.
Ayan, tinapos ko. Tinapos din ni Nathanael ang dalapasa. Oh, you know.
Yeah, good stuff, hey?
Smashed it, mate.
Did good, didn't he?
But I think that's more impressive there. That is way more impressive. As in, doon siya dumaan.
I'm gonna show my
Grabe.
wife.
Yes.
She doesn't think I can climb.
Okay guys, tapos na yung rock climbing sesh namin.
Yeah, mate.
Susunduin na namin sina Brooke and Shanta and Nitro.
Meanwhile,
Okay, baby Nitro, we made it home, didn't we, buddy? Yes, we did. We made it home. We're at home, aren't we? Yes, we are, baby. Yes, and Mami Shanta's home in the Airbnb. Yes, dito pa rin tayo sa Airbnb. Ayun, baby Nitro, maglalaro ka na lang dyan, bebe. Yes, you uyag din da.
Okay, Dwantro Fam, quick shout out po sa mga Golden Dwantro Fam natin. Alright, we have Dags, Len, and Salty, Haley and Ashley sisters, FDYT, Rosel Ruiz Nofki, Regina Cieli's Art Shop, Zitrofeld, Romeli Banya's Vlog, Da Ramis, Kick Sticks, Shane Ransborg, Swiss Humanity, Conchita Dokot, Jolie Inocencio, DC Cho, Pinay for Life, the Europino Fam, the Scotty Fam in Brisbane, the Aussie and his wife, the Ramsey family, DXMT, Christina Arsenio Dunsmuir, Natty Von Dien, Tosca Acorda, and Jocelyn Natividad. Special shout out kay Jocelyn Natividad, siya yung pinakamatagal nating Golden Fam, and special shout out kay Angeline De Rojas, siya yung pinakamatagal nating Certified Dwantro Fam. So maraming salamat po. We'll see you sa sunod na video ng Dwanta. Bye for now.
Eternity, go wherever you and I